What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Um, Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna go over exactly how to use System.io. Just go over the dashboard and stuff like that, so you can see exactly what's a little quick tutorial to show you everything on the dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have the main dashboard here. All right, so this is where everything is. When you first log in the page, this is where it'll bring you. It'll bring you here to this main dashboard where you see activities such as lead and also new email subscribers and stuff like that, new contacts. All right. So if we look at the drop down, you'll see affiliated dashboard. Your affiliated dashboard is where you get your affiliated commissions come in. You can take a look at um, how much you're getting paid, how much you have earned in affiliated commission. All right. So the second one we have is student dashboard is different courses that you have here that you could take. System.io will have a lot of different courses that you can take and stuff like that to learn a whole lot of different things. So it's a lot of different courses that you could take to get your knowledge up and start making some money. All right. So let's go back here to, all right, let's go back. All right, so we have affiliated dashboard went over, student dashboard, of course, went over, and the other thing that we have on that same in the bottom is the marketplace. So your marketplace is where you have different courses and stuff like that that other people that are using System.io put out there that you could sell yourself and earn a commission by selling those. So the next thing that we have is a contact. The contact where is all your info, all your email that you collect, all the new contact that you receive will go right here in the contact area. And also you have the tag. So the tag section, you could group certain people from certain marketing that you do that comes in. And when it's time for you to send out marketing, you can know exactly what group of people you're sending out the marketing to. So the tag basically separate certain marketing that you're doing, uh, certain people that you're advertising to that's coming into your funnel, so you can know who's who. Whenever you're ready to send a group a mass email to a certain group of people, you can know exactly who you're sending it to. That's the main purpose of the tag. So the next tab that we have is the funnels. This is where all your funnels going to be at. All right. So any funnels that you design, from lead funnels to from lead funnel to ebook funnel, webinar funnel. So all of that will be in the funnel section. All right. So all of that, everything that you create, any funnels that you create, be in that section where it say funnels at. All right. So the next thing we have is the email. So email, so you have newsletters, you have campaign, and you have statistic. So your newsletters, as I said, when you use newsletter and send a group of people that you tag a certain group of people that have certain tag, you can send them a mass email using the newsletter. And campaign is where you can set up all your campaigns, right? You can set up all your campaigns through campaign section. And your statistic is everything that's going on with your email that you send out. You can track everything and see how many people are opening your emails, what's the percentage of people that's opening email, the number of email that was sent out. So you can track all of this in that section. And the next tab that we have is the blog. So the blog section is where you create blog within System.io itself, different articles you create in that blog. So that's the main purpose of the blog. So you can create a website blog and start posting, so you can get found easily when through search engine optimization using Google or Bing or so. All right, so next thing that we have is automation. Automation is where you can set up your different rules and workflows. So for your automation, you can set up your campaign automation, you can set up tag automation. Let's say somebody subscribed, the next thing that you want to happen, you could use you can set up all that through automation. All right, or you can set it up while you're building your funnels. You're gonna have the different section where you can create your rules, create your workflow to make that happen. All right, so the next tab that we have is products. So where you have your physical products, you can set up your all your orders that came through, all your coupons that you set up, all your courses that you can set up, and also your community that you can set up a community within the system itself. So it's a good thing about System.io. All right. And of course, the next tab we have is sales, sales that you receive from your transaction, your subscription sales, your affiliated invoice that you receive, and your unaffiliated that you have out there, your affiliate program that you have out there. And of course, you have the help section if you need some more helps, and your settings section where you set up your domain and different stuff, your login info and stuff. All right. So the main thing you're probably going to use overall is really, you're going to use all of them, but the main one that you always mostly use is emails and funnels. And of course, once you set up your products, that's already there. So for example, when you go in the course section, you have your courses right here. You can easily add a course and create a course, which we're going to make. Go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to make some more videos so you can show you exactly how to set up the course, how to send out emails and stuff. So again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if